Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Adobe free trial. If you have started the free trial directly through the Adobe, you can cancel it before the trial ends. So firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar, type down Adobe and enter it. Click onto this Adobe Creative Marketing here. And over here, once you're inside this homepage of the Adobe, make sure you are logged into your account already. The next is you need to go to your profile icon here in the top right corner. From here, you need to go to this manage account. So over here, you might find all of your existing plan or your free trial here. And from here, you need to follow the prompts and click confirm and cancellation if you have your Adobe free trial plan. And check your email for the cancellation confirm. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.